To push third-party apps on your Windows device, log into your Scalefusion account and go to Application Management. Go to Enterprise Store and click on Upload New App. Select Upload Windows App from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of application from the pop-up. Upload either a local file that you have downloaded or the download URL and select the installation target between device and user level. Click on Save and select the profiles on which you want to publish the application. Click on Publish and the app will be published on your selected profiles. You can now see that the app has been installed on the device present in the selected profile. You have successfully published third-party apps on your Windows device.